Èmi àti ẹ̀dẹ̀ ti wà ní situation tó jẹ́ pé she came to my aid. Ó like kó máa settle nǹkan. Kò kí n like ìjà ní around there. And tó bá ṣe èèyàn, she always find every means pé má bínú náà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́n là ń pè yín ṣé torí pé kíníkan. That's the kind of person Moji is. She was very calm. She was very dedicated. She's everything. Báwo lè ṣe àtúntò making feel? Everybody ṣe feel náà nìyí. I was shocked. I was at home. I was in bed. So I just had this call, and then Moji ku, and I was like Moji wo. So Moji Olaiya, about Moji Olaiya, I want to bẹ̀rẹ̀ o. Ṣé ẹni tó wà ní Canada tó ṣe bímọ. Then I started making calls and I confirmed it. I must tell you, I felt shattered. I felt shocked. But what can we do? Ó ti lọ náà nìyẹn. Ọlọ́run á dá wa tó kù sí. Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ dá àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ sí àti àwọn family ẹ̀ náà. Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kó dúró jìnnà síra. Àmọ́ mi fún àwọn àtàṣì wà láyé, àwọn tẹ́ wà nínú movie industry ni wà tí ìta ní ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká súnmọ́ Ọlọ́run. These days kò sẹ́ni tó mọ ẹni tí ó kàn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ṣe example ìgbà tí Ajídára kú tí Olúmídé Bákàrẹ̀ kú. Mo sọ pé Moji náà wà lára àwọn tó máa ní èèwọ̀ Ọlọ́run kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀. But look at what happened. It can be anybody. Please, let's take care of ourselves and let's be very, very close to God. Kí Ọlọ́run túbọ̀ dá wa sí Dubai lọ. Ẹ ṣé.
That's why there's the rumor, I think so. And well, who are we to question God? We cannot question God. All we can do is that we should pray that God have mercy upon us, forgive us, and make those of us who are still alive live long, and no young ones should die, in our midst anymore. Thank you.
Yeah, so rest in perfect. All right, sir. So what are your body? What is the body doing? Any plans to take care of the daughter, the late daughter?
I cannot answer that question now. It's too early to answer.
All right.
Thank you.
Prayer for the family she left behind. Prayer for the family she left behind, and then moving.
Well, I pray to the Almighty Allah to protect the children, especially, and the family. God be with them and hold them tight. It's a very shocking story.
Our destiny shall not be aborted. Please, we notice that you've been watching our videos without subscribing. We need you to subscribe and comment on our videos. Let's know what you think. Most importantly, please subscribe now. Visit boa.com for the latest entertainment news.